today's video we will fix a Frigidaire Gallery Microwave not heating, power door switch and reset guide. So in fix 1 you can firstly check power supply. So make sure that the microwave is properly plugged in. Check the wall outlet by plugging in another device. Then reset the circuit breaker if it has a tripped. Then in the fix 2 you can reset the microwave. Unplug the microwave from the power outlet, then wait for around 5 minutes. Then plug it back in and test heating with a cup of water. In the fix 3 you can check the door switch. Open and close the microwave door firmly. Make sure the door click properly when closing, and if it does not click, the door switch may be fault and need a replacement. Then at last you can make sure you are using a right settings. So set a proper cooking time. So make sure the power level is not set to low or warm. Then start the microwave and check if it heated. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.